All right, welcome to my tool of the week. In the bog oak and resin build with a side of gold leaf, I used this gorgeous little Bosch professional 12-volt drill. And I'm going to go through it with a coping saw, jeweler saw, something like that. Check this out, I love this little thing. Battery on the side, most useful. There we go, I've just opened that up to 10, and then I'll go in from the other side. You're so far away. There we go. I'm really rather happy with that. We here spend a lot of time thinking about hobby builders who have limited space, maybe don't even have a workshop. And I thought that maybe this set, this drill, the router and the planer with, the batteries just swap over, which is incredible, is a fantastic little set of things. I used them to build and I loved it and it was great. I mean, the battery life is incredible. I don't think I needed to charge it even once. It's bulletproof. Done. That was a little bit messy, but pretty successful really. But there's no chipping out or issues with the resin. So that worked well. Taking very small passes, very, very small. But this stuff is going to be in my workshop forever. I then took it home because I moved into a new house 6 months ago, and to say that the person who had it before me was bad at DIY is an understatement. I'm fixing a lot of things. Look at that. Now this is my fun bit. So I've been drilling a lot of corners, around a lot of corners in weird places. Look at it. I just... But yeah, I absolutely love it, and you need one. Bang. Battery indicator on the side as well, which is cool. There we go. So it's got 1 bar left on this one, and that needs to be charged after doing the entire guitar build. I need battery. And this is 12 volt. I'm not expecting it to be too loud, but you never know. I love playing with new toys. Well, it's a laminate trimmer. It's for MDF and stuff like this. This is harder than it's used to or designed for, maybe, but working. That removed a lot of oak. This is technically designed for something else entirely, template making and MDF and kitchen making stuff, but I rather like it. Tiny router worked. Okay, so there we have it, no tear out. There we go, ear defenders, goggles, router. And here we go. I mean, not traditional, but then again, when have we ever been traditional?